Hey, what going on YouTube? It's your boy Young KD, as always. And today I'm gonna be doing a full mix breakdown on one of my songs again. I'm gonna teach y'all how y'all can mix melodic vocals. The preset will be included if y'all want it, but I would advise you not to just copy the preset. But if you do, you most likely gonna have to make slight changes and tweaks to it because 9 times out of 10, you're not using the same microphone I used. I used the Samsung Q2U on this song. But hey, let's go over this process in this full mix breakdown right now. And for all my regulars that always watch videos, y'all already know we gotta do the before and after, with and without the mixing, so you can see what I really did and how it sounds with all the plugins and all the effects on it.
When I pass it up, my little bitch say, oh yeah. When I pass it up, my little bitch say, oh yeah. Don't want no nigga up in my face, no nigga up in my way. All gas ain't hit no brakes, had to cut the grass up full of snakes. These niggas be hating, yeah, I know that. I be in the projects like Kodak. When I'm in that pussy, I tell Shawty to throw that. When I pass it up, my little bitch say, oh yeah. When I pass it up, my little bitch say, oh yeah. Don't want no nigga up in my face, no nigga up in my way. All gas ain't hit no brakes, had to cut the grass up full of snakes. These niggas be hating, yeah, I know that. I be in the projects like Kodak. When I'm in that pussy, I tell Shawty to throw that.
Yeah, so after the before and after, you can tell the mixing really played a big role, and it really did some heavy lifting and made this song sound professional. Okay, now let's jump into the effects I used and what I did to make these vocals sound good, man. Okay, so the first effect I threw on these vocals to get it to sound fuller, I threw on the tape simulator. This is a saturation plugin, and what saturation does, it basically just makes your vocals warmer, fuller. You know, that's why I threw this on. Here are the settings I got for the saturation plugin. I really like using this plugin, and it can make your microphone sound more expensive and make it sound more full overall. Okay, so after I added the saturation, it definitely added a lot of body to the vocal, but now it's too much body, so we added the EQ. Y'all can see we got rid of a lot of muddy frequencies. We got rid of a lot of that body, just not too much where it sounds muddy. We got rid of some of these mids. Here are the settings I got. Like I said, it's gonna be different on every microphone, so don't just try to copy this. But the EQ definitely does do wonders. So here are the settings I got once again for the EQ. I bet. So after that effect, I added an exciter just to get the vocal some brightness. I got the mix amount all the way on 0. Here are the settings I got. Y'all might want to turn the mix amount down if it sounds too bright for you, if you're using this preset or this vocal chain. The vocals still aren't as airy as I want, but this is a cheap microphone, so it's the best I can get it. I bet. So after we added that high shelf filter, the vocals definitely sound a whole lot brighter and overall just a whole lot more clear and better. But the sibilants are starting to peek through. Those harsh S sounds, those S sounds are starting to peek through now. So I threw on a de-esser. I got the frequency at 5,000 hertz. Here's where I got a threshold at. The de-esser definitely does a whole lot. I'll take it on and off so y'all can see what it's doing.
Go up in my way. All gas ain't hit no brakes, had to cut the grass up full of snakes. These niggas be hating, you go up in my way. All gas ain't hit no brakes, had to cut the grass up full of snakes. Go up in my way. All gas ain't hit no brakes, had to cut the grass up full of snakes. These niggas be hating, you go up in my way. All gas ain't hit no brakes, had to cut the grass up full of snakes.
Yeah, man, so the de-esser definitely does help get rid of some of those harsh S sounds. And it's definitely an essential when mixing vocals on Bandlab. If y'all want to use this vocal chain and the de-esser isn't doing enough, maybe just sweep the frequencies and change the frequency up until you hear the S's being disappeared more. Yeah, man, but the de-esser really does help a lot. It really softens the S's a lot, which will really make your whole mix sound better. All right, bet. So after that de-esser, something still wasn't sounding right to me. It was a frequency still just popping out. And it was that 2500 hertz range, and we took out like -5 dB of it. Depending on your mic or the equipment you're using, you might not got to take out this much, or you might don't got to take out any. This is what I had to do on this microphone, and it made the vocal sound a whole lot better. Okay, after all of that processing, the vocal sound clean, but now it's time to add some compression, and I went with the TechLab BA2A. This really keeps the vocals even, so here are the settings I got. All right, bet. So after that compressor, we added another compressor. They already sounded even, but now we want them to pop out. So we added a BL1176. This compressor adds a lot of volume. It keeps the vocals consistent too, makes them pop out more. So here are the settings I got, and that's why I used the BL1176. All right, bet. So the next thing we did to get that melodic sound, we added some reverb. I went with the studio reverb as always, 23%. Y'all can change this up if it's too much reverb. But this is what I did to get that melodic sound. Reverb really plays a big role on getting that melodic sound, and it helps your vocals sit better in that mix too. So here are my reverb settings, y'all. Y'all make sure to add reverb if y'all want that melodic sound. Just adjust it to your taste. Alright then fam, so the last thing I did to these vocals, I added the ping pong delay. The ping pong delay really fills out the vocals and makes it more full. Turn this plugin on and off. I call it plugin, y'all, my bad. If y'all want to call it effects, y'all can call it that. But even though this is a little regular app, they still technically plugins. But turn this effect on and off and you'll see what it's really doing. And now I'm gonna show you how I mix the beat to make it sound like my vocals are sitting inside the beat. That's the whole goal of mixing. You want everything to sound together. So I'm gonna show y'all right now. Alright, bet. So after that, we added a graphic EQ. We got rid of some of the muddiness. Some of that bass was too much in the beat. So I got rid of some of that 100 hertz range. Some of that 200 hertz as well. Also, we took a little bit of that 1.6K out. And we also took a good bit of that 3.2 kilohertz out. The 1.6K and the 3.2K, that's where your vocals are really trying to sit. That's what a lot of instruments are in the instrumental. So turning this down some will definitely give your vocals a little bit of room to fit inside the beat. Okay, so the last thing I added to this beat was the vintage limiter. This just makes the beat hit harder. So that's what I did just to get that beat knocking a little harder. That pretty much wraps up what I did for the mix. I was gonna show y'all the ad-libs, but I'm running out of time. Hey, appreciate y'all for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Right now, I'm gonna play the whole song so y'all can hear what it sounds like.
Ice on me, it's so cold it'll make you shiver. It'll make a bitch fall like September. I've been on this road for a long time. I'm on go, I've been ignoring the stop signs. I'ma shine, you can't stop mine. I'ma shine, you can't stop mine. I got a whole lot of pain on me. I keep a whole lot of chains on me. Can't put my trust in a bitch. I know one day she gon' change on me. She gon' trade on me. Niggas tryna ride up on my wave on me. I got niggas tryna ride up on my wave on me. You cannot take that money to the grave on me. When you die, you can't take money to the grave on me. This a big wave, yeah. This a big wave, yeah. When I pop out, I be sharper than a switchblade, yeah. When I pass her the molly, that bitch say, oh yeah. When I pass her the molly, that bitch say, oh yeah.